explain your steps that you did here?
Yeah, we put the flywheel on there, aligned the counterbalancer with the flywheel. If you don't do that, it's going to vibrate more than it already does.
And if you wanted a Harley, you would have bought a Harley.
This is where it gets interesting because you're supposed to have a holder for this. We're going to go the
Belt
hillbilly
strap.
way. And the hillbilly way is
Just put this in there. We'll be fine.
now, hillbilly way is
A wooden dowel.
Throw a flathead screwdriver right inside here.
inside the gear.
Wedge it on the next gear down.
You're going to stick that in here, and when that moves, it wedges it. Like so.
What is the torque spec?
Oh, I got to find it again.
Okay.
Okay, we're putting the bevel gear housing on now. There's a bevel gear housing.
The output shaft for the.
Pretty neat. That's your bevel gear. The bearing that goes bad in these that we've talked about is a bearing right here. You'll see this bearing right here. That bearing goes bad. There's a nut that goes on there. I took the nut off. Needs torqued. As you can see, this comes out and there's shims under it. But there's your bevel gear. That's the bearing that goes out right there. You got this, you got a big spring that goes in there, and you got this cog, and it's got ramps. That way when you jump on it, it doesn't shock the system too bad. And this is under pressure.
There's no gasket.
Yeah, there's a gasket on there.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Maybe it was supposed to go.
You hear?
That's too short.
Yes, viewers, that is a grown man with a bracelet. We just wanted to clarify.
Go Army strong.
See, I got big ones here.
Here's the short one.
Do we have any large ones? Got 4 big ones.
Yeah.
4 big ones.
These?
About 5 big ones. You like the neighbor, Roger?
I love
She's
this.
a hoot, ain't she?
No comment. Something wrong with that bolt, Dave.
There's just all the grease and oil on my hand.
You need a speed ratchet.
That one's not going anywhere.
Because you got one somewhere ain't supposed to be there, right? Something's supposed to be. Which I bet it's this one. Get your money. Look at that.
Told you there's something wrong with that bolt.
been wanting to do something all day. Let him do the manual labor.
About time. I'm sticking my hands in there.
Is that a crack in that thing? What is that?
Just grease.
That's that tension we talked about.
That's that spring tightening down.
Yeah, we should have a ratchet that would work.
What's that say on there? If you'd learn how to use the damn thing.
It should be pretty much self-explanatory. It's a ratchet.
I'd tighten up some of these over here real quick.
That's what I'm doing. I'm going around.
No, you're that's down here.
Nope. It's 10 millimeter.
Where did the 10 go? Here's the 10.
I bet under remarks it said, tighten in a sequential order.
I think I hear about that.
No, it's obvious. Okay, nobody cares to watch you tighten up more and more screws.
Up here. Here, let's go put this on here first. It's got, where the hell's the pins at? Oh,
The pins are in this. One's here and one's here.
okay.
Woo! That was close.
That was good.
That wasn't even funny, man.
They got that much strength?
Yeah, it does. As soon as I got close, I pulled it right out of my hand.
Oh, we can't put this on yet. So I want you to take it off.
After you went and seated it.
Now that's some strong magnets.
Man, you ain't kidding. Mm-mm.
You would not think the gasket would stick to that, would you?
Nope.
It's got metal on
Metal inside.
it. What we gotta do now,
You all right?
Look what it did my finger.
Smashed you good, man. That's pretty rude he didn't tell you that.
He thought it was funny.
did it get your finger?
No.
No, too bad.
Just the very edge of it.
That would be your finger still.
Well, I call it finger edge.
Shifter shaft. And you gotta make sure it is kinda in the middle, or when you go to shift, it ain't going to. Been there, done that.
Been there, believe you. Short throw, isn't it?
I think it just is not going into gear.
She's not engaging a clutch.
That's the size. Oh, all depends on this, huh?
And this shot kind of looks like David's hand is on Colin's butt.
Well, it was. slight too.
See how soft and caressfully I did that?
Alright, now you bolts for that.
All right, pull starter is now on the bike.
I'm thinking, if I should match some bolts, we have to shoot for somewhere else, because we have no more black ones, do
No.
Can you put those silver ones in the bottom where they won't be seen?
we? I figured out as we go. What more you need, Dave?
I know most of you watching this video will not be able to afford a high dollar bolt holder like this little pink bucket, but make sure you find a proper substitute so that you don't lose anything.
So you need one more.
Time to install the clutch.
Oh, look, that's off something.
Does it go right here?
Uh-uh.
See that wear right there? That wear
No,
pattern?
no, that's a real small.
Okay.
Put it in gear so it won't spin. What you had to do last time was take it apart, remember? Because you couldn't grab the shaft and
There it is. Good job. Outstanding.
complete clutch assembly installed, waiting for the nut. And this plate. This washer go on the top of this washer, Cole?
I don't think so.
Okay. Clutch assembly installed. Clutch cover plate.
Oh, no, can't do that yet. Can't do that yet.
Never mind, clutch cover plate.
No.
Is that the one that's 108 foot-pounds?
I don't know. Was it?
I think it is.
Look at that sheet.
It's right
Right
there.
here.
Clutch hub
Clutch.
nut, 108 foot-pounds.
Yep.
Handy dandy. Walker and wrench up there.
Stay off to the side now. Let people see your genius.
Alright.
Yes, the screwdriver is an intended piece of hillbilly technology.
Don't need no something special tools.
These are specialty tools.
You will break something.